Yeah, I got this water testing device. I'm going to test different waters. First, I'm going to find out the difference between osmosis drinking water and the rainwater, which one is better, which one is pure. And then I'm going to test the tap water from the city versus the AC water that came from the condensation of the air conditioner. So we'll see which one is the worst. All right, let's do the test. From the back, here from the back, we see how pure your water is. From 0 to 50 is ideal drinking water. And then from 50 to 100 is from the carbon filter mountain spring water. And then over 100 is hot water. And then from 200 to 300 is the average tap water. And then 400 is high tap or mineral spring water. And then 500 is the EPS maximum contaminant level. So the ideal one is between 0 to 50 is the ideal drinking water. So let's do the osmosis drinking water. Okay, here's the meter. And according to the manual, when you immerse this into the water, make sure you don't go beyond 1.6 inches, which is the line right here. You don't want the water go beyond this. So let's see what the drinking water reading is. I'm going to put the hold button, hold the reading. And here we see the drinking water is 6 part per million, and the conductivity is 12, and the temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's been raining. So I'll cup out here for the rain. And we'll test the water quality. Water. Every 4. Wow, that's pretty good. That's the part per million. And what's the conductivity? 8. That's pretty good for conductivity. And the temperature right now is 74 degrees. That's what happened with the rainwater. Give them test again. Turn it off, turn it back on. Yep, again 4. And test the mole. That's the conductivity 8 and 17.8. So the rainwater even better than the osmosis water. And next we're going to test the tap water. Here's the tap water. There's the meters. Let's do the testing. Oh, it turned red automatically. Before it was green when it was the drinking water. Now it's turned red. And the let's hold. And here we see the tap water is 100 part per million, and conductivity is 212, which is very high for. And then you have the temperature 77.3. And so if you go to the back and you see the reading, and before the osmosis drinking water was 6, which is an ideal drinking water between 0 to 50, and then our tap water, which is hot water, which is exactly 100. So here the chart gives you a good idea of the quality of water you're testing. So this is the water dripping out from the AC, and this is the water condensed from the unit, from the AC unit, and so I got these two, and now I'm using it to measure the quality of the water from the AC unit. Let me turn it off. So now I'm gonna put it in here. See what the reading is. So reading here is show 146. So this electricity conductivity is 310, and the temperature is 30.1 degrees Celsius, which is 86.1 Fahrenheit. And so we're gonna try again the second time. Shake it off a little bit. Zero. Do the second trial. Here again, 146. Again, 310. And the temperature is 29.7 degrees Celsius. 85.4 Fahrenheit. So get it from the tap. It doesn't need much water to boil it. A little bit more. So I'm gonna boil the water. And after you cool down and test it, see if it made any difference. You put the lid on, probably faster that way. See, the water is boiling now. And turn it off. Let it cool down and then test the water, see if it make any differences. See, that's the boiling water. Just cool down. And test it. From this test, we see the worst and the best. The worst one is the AC condensate water, 146 part per million, and the best one is the rainwater, which is 4 part per million. The rainwater even better than the osmosis drinking water. So from this test, make sure you don't drink the AC condensate water. Okay, thanks for watching.